The ALLOYPOWER 20V Hedge Trimmer is designed with a 22-inch dual-action laser-cut blade, ensuring efficient trimming for branches up to 3/5 of an inch thick. Incorporating vibration reduction technology, this trimmer provides a smooth cutting experience by effectively minimizing vibrations and enhancing user comfort. Equipped with two 20-volt 2 Ah lithium-ion batteries, the trimmer offers an impressive runtime of up to 45 minutes, allowing users to tackle most tasks without constant recharges. Safety is a top priority with the dual-switch control system and blade guard, ensuring secure operation and safe storage after use. The ergonomic design features a D-shaped handle that can rotate 180 degrees, allowing for versatile grip angles and comfortable trimming at various heights. Weighing only 5 pounds, the lightweight and cordless design offers the convenience of unrestricted movement without the hassle of tangled cords.